We do everything digitally now. So why are we still handing out paper business cards? They get lost, damaged, and honestly, most people never use them again. That's why digital business cards make so much more sense. Just scan a QR code and all the business info is instantly there. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a digital business card and make your professional interactions a whole lot smoother. Why digital business cards matter. Today, most professional networking happens online. For businesses and individuals alike, compared to digital business cards, paper cards just feel outdated. They're easy to lose, hard to update, and limited in what they can show. Now with a digital business card, you can share your website, portfolio, social media, and contact info all in one place. It's faster, more interactive, and simply makes more sense today. So the real question is, how do you actually create a good digital business card? There are plenty of apps out there for creating digital business cards, but the real question is, which one actually makes the process simple and useful? For me, the first thing is ease of use. Creating a business card shouldn't take hours or feel complicated. The app should make the setup quick and straightforward. Then comes customization and sharing. Now, a good platform should let you personalize your card and share it in different ways, like through a direct link or a QR code instead of locking you into one option. Reliability is also important. If your card loads slowly or has broken links, it completely ruins the experience. The whole point is to make networking smoother and more professional. And finally, analytics. You should be able to track views, clicks, and engagement to see whether people are actually interacting with your card. So, keeping all of that in mind, I decided to test out a tool called QR Tiger. This platform is mainly known for generating QR codes, but it also lets you create digital business cards. So, I wanted to see how practical it actually is. I gave it a try and created a business card myself. Honestly, I liked how it turned out. That's why I thought I'd share the process with you. Now you can create a basic card for free, and if you want access to more advanced features, they also have a few paid plans you can explore. So, this is what the dashboard looks like. As you can see, the platform lets you create trackable QR codes for different things, like social media links, restaurant menus, videos, and landing pages. But for this video, we're just focusing on the digital business card option, also known as vCard. The first step is choosing a template. There are a bunch of different styles you can pick from, depending on the look you're going for. Then in step 2, you can add all your details, your name, business, website, location, contact info. And this is also where you can customize how everything looks. You can add multiple links too. So if you want to include your socials, portfolio, or anything else, you're not limited. In the third step, you generate your QR code. This part is actually pretty interesting because you can customize it as well. Different colors, patterns, frames, and even add your own logo to make it feel a little bit more personal. And once everything's set up, you can just download the QR code and start sharing it with clients, business contacts, or anyone you're connecting with. I went ahead and created a sample business card using QR Tiger myself, just to see how it actually works in practice. And a few features really stood out to me. For starters, it lets you create a dynamic QR code for your card. Basically, that means that you can go back and edit your information anytime you want without having to generate a whole new code. Another thing I really liked was that you can save the contact details from the card without typing anything on your phone. You'll just have to scan the code, tap the info, and it will instantly be saved on your phone. The smoothness of this tool is something that truly impressed me. As you can see, I made this rough sample card, and when I scan the QR code from my phone, it takes me straight to the card instantly. No lag, no weird loading issues. There's also a scan tracking feature, which is pretty useful. Every time someone scans your code and views your card, it shows up here. And honestly, that's something you just don't get with a paper card. You'd never know how many people actually looked at it. Another thing I really liked is the edit option. You can go back and change pretty much anything. Your personal info, links, even tweak the design whenever you want. Try doing that with a printed card. You can. And finally, the feature that really stands out is the statistics section. It gives you real-time insights into how your card is performing, how many people are engaging with it, and all that. Now this one's part of the paid plan, but if your work depends on networking and visibility, it could actually be worth it. If you want to try out this platform and create your own business card for free, I've left a link in the description. Honestly, even if you're not ready to completely move on from printed cards, you can still upgrade them by adding a QR code using tools like this. It's a small, simple change, but it can make a big difference in how you present your business and connect with people. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tools and ideas that can make your work a little easier.